I'm Cassandra Hernandez. I'll be finding the area of rectangles for my 5-minute lesson. Right here we have the problems. Let's go over and read them. Everyone wants to paint the wall of this room. The wall of this room is 12 feet tall and 15 feet wide. What is the total area everyone needs to paint? So before we start solving for the problem, let's draw a rectangle. It's always nice to see what we're solving for. So let's draw a rectangle. Okay, and we know it's 12 feet tall and 15 feet wide. So 12 feet tall and 15 feet wide. Now remember, when we're looking for the area, it's asking us for the space inside the shape. So let me just color the rectangle in so you can see what we're actually looking for. To find the area, we need the formula area equals length times width. But because we're already given those measurements, we can just plug them into our formula. So let's go ahead and do that. The length is going to be 12 and the width is going to be 15. And the area can be solved by multiplying these two, and that will be 180. But not just 180. Remember the measurements. It was on feet. So we can write feet, and because its area is going to be in a squared units. So 180 feet squared. Let's go to our next problem. It says, Tiana wants a rug for the house of Pet Bunny. The house measures 5 meters by 6 meters. How much rug does she need for the house? Just like the other problem, let's draw a rectangle that will be representing the rug. We're giving already the measurements, so we can just plug them over here. We know it's going to be 5 meters tall and 6 meters wide. Just like the other problem, we can plug them in to our formula to find the area. The length is going to be 5 meters times the width, 6 meters. We multiply those two and we get 30 meters squared. So Tiana will need 30 meters of rug for Pet Bunny's house. Finally, the last question. This one is more tricky because it's already giving us the area. The length of a rectangular pool is 14 feet. The area of the pool is 350 feet. What is the width of the pool? So, let's solve this. Just like the other problems, let's draw a rectangle. Oops, our rectangle is kind of choppy. We know that length is going to be 14 feet, but we don't know the width. So let's draw a little question mark there. We know that all this, everything inside the water is the area. And we know the area is 350. And we know that our formula is area equals length times width. So we can plug in the 14 and 35 to our formula. When we do that, we're left with this. Now what we're looking for is the width. Now what we can do is divide 14 by both sides. This will cancel this 14 and will leave us 350 by 14 equals the width. See how everything came to this? And I was just looking for the width. Once we divide this, we're left with the width being 25 feet squared. And that is the width.